Feel for sad. Come here, say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be spending some quality time with my kids. Here's the crew so far. So wanna say hi, Tevi?
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.
That's right. That's right. So so we're getting ready to go to my older son meet. He is in track and field as well as basketball, but today he has a meet fast like jet. So we're running late as usual. Come on, don't leave me. So we're running to his meet, and then after that may just take them out to get some McDonald's or stuff like that. So we're just spending some time today. So I'm taking you out on the journey today, and just gonna be a chillax day. So stay tuned, guys. So we're just gonna hang. Huh? You want to turn? You want to talk to them?
Yeah.
Okay, just wait. Tristan, come this way. Come put your jacket. You have your jacket? It's a beautiful day today, guys. It's like what? 71 degrees. Just want to talk to you guys.
Hello.
Say subscribe. I don't know, she's speaking Korean right now. Alright guys, so we're in and we're ready to go. Alright, so we'll see you at the track meet. Walking. So we're heading up to the meet to go see where teacher to go on with. So huh? Yeah, the birds? Yeah. It's a beautiful day. 70 degrees. Everybody in a shorts and t-shirts and all these things. Beautiful. Okay, there's the birds. So we're gonna keep to the corner, okay? So we're gonna see my baby in action. Trying to reach up at the field. Over the field, I try to reach. So I'm gonna reach over there. Let y'all see. Alright. So we're here. What's yours? Hot already. It's first that summer. Yeah, right?
Hot.
See again. So we're trying to find TJ. And I think he's over there somewhere. Let me see if we can find him. So we're thinking, and that's him over there in the blue shirt and the orange top, the orange bottom. But that, like, his hair looks. No, hold on.
Attention boys, long jumpers. Boys have made finals. Northwest Catholic, Darius Stratus.
They're having a whole bunch of stuff going on over here. It's like an Olympic type crap. Olympic thing where everybody high jump and
Troy Stewart, Prince Tech, Makai Tyson Slaughter,
oh, here's his name. Okay.
Jalen Carter, who's made finals. Please report back to the long jump pit.
TJ be doing long jump too. So guys, we hear about long jump and all these things. So we're gonna go check it if we hear Troy's name. Oh, there he is. We spot him. There he is. There he is. There he is. Coming. DJ! Just be careful. Oh my god, guys. I just recorded a whole bunch of stuff and I didn't realize that it was not recording. So we found TJ. The kids hug him, wish him luck. He's actually in the finals for a long jump. So we're here waiting for him to get ready to go. He said hi to you guys and everything, but I missed it. I didn't realize it wasn't recording. So I'm sorry. Again, look a bit tipsy from last night. Where we going? No, we have to stay right here, Tavana. Come, we're gonna see TJ here. Look. This way. This. We're gonna see TJ right here. So, Tristan. So, we're trying to see him again when he comes back. Hopefully. Teddy, come. Come. Okay, right behind me. Come on, take with me. So we're here. So yeah, the guys just wish, and she wants her brother. Say hi. Teddy, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. No, she doesn't want to say hi. But I can't believe it, guys. I had so much footage just, when I thought I was doing it. But at least you'll catch him when he's actually jumping. These guys are here acting a fool. Careful, mind your fall. Yeah?
No, you got finals. You got 3 more.
There he is, guys. I'm catching this one. Huh? TJ, turn and say hi. TJ, turn and say hi. So that's him, guys. So we didn't catch the first time. Come on, let's go. We're gonna go up this side. Let's go see. Yeah, we can go. Don't run though. So guys, we're going over this side. This is where the long jump's gonna be. And that was one of his coach. And that's my big son. Yeah. So there he is. He's going around that side. Come this way. Come over this way. Come on now. There he is, guys. Doing the long jump. First time doing it, I didn't even know that he was participating in this. Thought he was just running. But obviously he's very good. There we go, there we go, there he goes. Hey! That's him right there. You want to jump too? No. Let's see what I'm measuring. 18, 10 and a half. Guys, this sun is blazing. It's not even summer yet. Look at him down there. What are you doing? What are you doing? You killing ants?
I stepped on an ant and then I put a rock on it.
There's one right there.
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm an ant killer. Alright, so Troy's up again. Before he did 18.5. So let's see what he's gonna be doing this time. Alright, so there he is. Let's see what baby's gonna do again.
AJ.
There he is. That's okay. Woo!
Mommy, I'm go Gigi.
No, you can't go to him. Yeah, he did better. Yep. 19, 10 and a half. Doing better. Here he is. Got an athlete on here. I'm here leaning up on these people's car. I don't even know who it belongs to. He has one more to go. And let's see if he's gonna do better. Alright, so when he's up, I'll let you guys know again. So far, he's doing awesome. So, she just put in the mosquito before the baby. Then I kill him, come like my best friend on the team. So, he's putting off the last jump and he's coming to do 100 meter. We specialize in 100 and 200 and 4 by 1. So, let's see. Alright, so he's gonna be doing the 100 meters. You can't see him right in there, so. No, I'm not putting you in there. You're okay. Thank you. he's tired because he was doing the long jump. No, they just push them in the immediately. Come on, come this way. See him, he's in the purple. You see him? Right, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Go, Troy! There he is. Go, Troy! Oh, he's tired. Alright guys, so he's up for his last jump. I was just talking to his coach and he was saying, you know, he's one of the best, everybody doing 3. Just record, unfortunately, that his events are actually back to back, but he did make the finals for the 100 meter. So let's see his last jump. What's the count? Wait for running, we're gonna wait. TJ's gonna run right now. Let's see what his last. So the last one was 19.10 something. So, and the first one was 18.5. So let's see what the third one is. But he's tired, and you know, funny thing, he's so good at it, but he hates track and field and everything this way. His thing is basketball. Here we go, here it goes. Ah! Let's see.
Mommy, I'm gonna go get it.
You can't.
I thought I messed up my running and I looked down.
What's that, second?
Nah, just third.
Third? Great job. So you came third in this. Come put on your medal.
Bye.
Take your medal. You came third and he's tired and he's still doing this. Can you imagine if he wasn't tired? Oh, come kiss your mommy. Come kiss your mommy. Let me flip it.
Get it.
Great job.
No, you can't go in. I have another one.
He has another one. He's going to give it to you. This is the big brother of the year. You see him? He's tired and he's still making all these records. I'm just a follow back him. Fifi, cook. Come, Tristan. Go. TJ's going to get it. Put your mask back on. Go, TJ. Go, Seven. I'm so proud of him. My baby girl walking. So he's in the finals for the 100 meters, so he's gonna do his last run. See if he's gonna get a medal for that one as well. So here they are. So he's about to give. Yep. Up the stairs. Sorry. What was this one for, TJ?
That was for the 4x1.
Wait, second too?
Yeah.
See, he got a medal, second place for 4x1.
I got third place for
The TJ there, baby. He's just trying to come to you, TJ. Come over your side. They're his biggest fan. He's tired and he's still making records. Tristan.
All 1,600 meter runners, boys and girls, should be at the start. We are going to start
We only
momentarily.
have the 100 meter.
In the meantime,
I hate running.
I'm gonna
finalists for the
treat you
girls
to
100,
McDonald's, okay?
which will start
But
right
you're so
after this
good.
race,
I only do this
is
'cause the
DeJour
coach made.
Galissa from Bloomfield,
But you're so good.
Sarah
Suppose you never
Whitehorn from Capital
TJ,
Prep,
suppose you loved it. Can you
Sienna
imagine what you
Lloyd
did?
from Bloomfield,
I just running
Rebecca,
is not my. It used to be when I was younger, but not no more.
sorry,
But
from
think
Bristol
about it.
Central,
Just a while ago, right?
Haley Cocker
You were
from
even
St.
concerned about the fact that you
Joseph,
think you
Nevaeh
messed up.
Pence from Bloomfield,
No, cause I
Renaya
messed
Davis
up
from
on my
Capital
last
Prep,
jump, Kevin.
and Kennedy
I thought I was gonna
Mitchell
get up
from
off my
Northwest
right
Catholic.
leg.
Do you guys mind going in the
Girls
vlog?
100-meter finalists.
You mind going into the vlog?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Okay, so these are his teammates. What
Boys
do you guys
100-meter
run?
finalists
Hold
are
on, sorry.
Maxwell Warren from
What do you
St.
guys run?
Joseph, Victor Rosa from Bristol Central,
400,
James
200.
400,
Miller
200?
from Northwest
How much do you
Catholic, Jaleel Pena from Prince
100
Tech,
You came first just now, right?
Morrissey
Congratulations,
from
sorry.
St. Joseph,
How did
Xavier
you do that,
Brown
200?
from Bristol Central, Peter Higgins from Bloomfield, and Troy Stewart from Prince Tech.
Ah,
Our boys 100-meter
that's
finalists.
Troy. Alright, he's tired and he's still making records. Come on.
Again, bro.
Your last run, right? Okay. We'll make it happen and then they'll go treat you. He's tired. And you have these kids right here giving me hell, can't keep still. See them? The one man is a fuck with. Say hi. I'm here. When I run, I'm tired because I'm going to come for with TJ. Every spot I'm going to do on him. And the place is just so hot. Like, it's not even summer yet, and the sun is no joke. I swear to you. Like, right now, you just want to have like a tank top and the shorts. Like, no joke. I mean, I've on sneakers and all these things. Alright, guys, so now he's getting ready to go. I'm sorry, I can't get up and run again because I'm beat with the sun. It's hot. There he is in the corner.
Hold
Right
it.
there.
Sit down because whatever you drop, that's it. Why do you do
We're back and we have the little athlete over there, so yeah, unfortunately we didn't get a medal for the 100 meters. He was tired and I could have said that, and I kind of feel a way or coach him having him run up and down and do all these things, but I think he did well. He did his best. So now, because I promised them McDonald's, we're gonna go get McDonald's, so we'll see you at McDonald's. Alright, so guys, we're here at McDonald's, already ordered. Never remember saying no vlog nothing. But we have, what is his name again? The new strawberry watermelon slushy. We have Tristan running there with his Happy Meal. Tavon is knocked out ever since we left the meet. And so we have the athlete over there, so treating him. You have the same watermelon slushy thingy in large fries, because he only do anything large. And then you having anything about drinking chicken and stuff in there. So we're heading back home. I'm gonna chill, and it's gonna be peace out. Kanisha says, I'm first what Kanisha says. You wanna know what Kanisha says, quote?
No. You something, man.
Put it this way, while waiting for TJ, I kind of thought about something, in terms of friendship. And so I'm gonna use this quote. I think Kanisha says, do not give up on friends or family if they go wrong. Give them a second chance, and if you can help them out with whatever it is that they're going through, help them, right? Just don't leave them hanging just because of one situation, because sometimes all they need is to help. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. Like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm in my dog. So until later. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Like, share, and subscribe, guys.
Alright. Bye.
How you feel for say? Come here, say when me